If I was 25 again, I'd do this immediately. Now, what would I do immediately? Well, I'd start an online business, right? Because when I was 25, no one actually told me how easy it is to make money online. No one told me it's so easy to make money for yourself. All I was told my whole life is work a 9-to-5 job, keep working, eventually you'll get a promotion, eventually you get a pay rise, and you can just live your life comfortably like that, right? And for some reason, I believed this. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to school, go to university, get a degree, get a nice job, and then work my way up within a company, right? And what I realized really quickly is that this isn't the way I want to live my life. This isn't the way that most people should be living their life, right? Because if you live your life like this, what tends to happen is that you don't actually end up making a lot of money. Inflation will always beat your wages, right? And not only that, you have zero freedom. So if you want to actually go somewhere you can't, you need to ask your boss for leave, or you need to ask your boss if you can go somewhere. I did not want to live my life asking permission to my boss, to anyone else, if I can do something, right? To the point where, guys, if you really and truly deep it in your 9-to-5 job, you have to ask your boss if you want to take lunch at a different time. Guys, it is crazy to me because you're asking another full-grown adult when you can have your lunch. I did not want to live my life like that. So what I did, right, I took a big risk in my life. I quit my 9-to-5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. Now, I did this at 27, and this is why I wish I had started much sooner, right? Because if I had started much sooner, my life would have changed really, really quickly. And this is why I'm making this video, right? Maybe you're 25, maybe you're 30, maybe you're 40, whatever your age is, right? Don't listen to people that say that you need to work a 9-to-5 job and you need to work your way up within a company. Because guys, and I'm sure most of you who are working a 9-to-5 job that are watching this, you're unhappy. You're not happy with your job. You're not happy with your life. You're trying to pay the bills. You're left with absolutely nothing at the end of the month. You might be making 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand. Doesn't matter how much you're making. What happens is at the end of the month, you're struggling to pay the bills. And this is not how you should live your life. You can't work a 9-to-5 job, 40 hours a week, away from your family, just to come home with 2, 3 or 4 grand a month. That's not enough, guys. You want to make more money. You want to be in a position where you can completely change your life, help your family, do more with the money, spend more time with your family. I think this is one of the most important things, because with a 9-to-5 job, you can't do that. You see your colleagues more than you see your own family. And this is why if I was 25 and I knew the information I knew now, the first thing I would do is start an online business, right? Now, I myself own a 6-figure online coaching business where I work with people and I scale them to 10K a month by using the one skill consulting business model, which completely changed my life and also completely changed a lot of my clients' lives as well. So if you guys are interested, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you. Now, guys, if you are 25, if you're 30, if you're 40, right, do this immediately. If you're not happy with your 9-to-5 job, if you're not happy with your current situation, if you want to live in Dubai, for example, or you want to move abroad, or you want to live in a better place, or you want to have freedom and you want to make money, guys, start an online business. I can't stress this enough. An online business will completely change your life, like it has for me, like it has for my clients, and it will allow you to do whatever it is that you want. Guys, I currently live in Dubai, right? You can probably see from the backdrop behind me. But I live in Dubai. The weather's great 24/7. I live a comfortable life and I can do whatever it is I want. I can go, today's a Monday, right? I can go to the mall, I can go to a coffee shop, I can go to the beach, I can go wherever I want. If I wanted to travel, I could do that as well. I can literally do whatever it is I want, right? Because I have freedom. And most of you guys don't have that. You don't have the freedom to live the life you want. You don't have the freedom to do what it is that you want. You have to ask your boss for leave. I think money aside, right? Obviously money is important, and with an online business, you can make a lot of money, but freedom is priceless. You shouldn't even be working for someone else when your freedom's on the line. And for a lot of you guys, you do it because you have to, right? And I get it. I did it myself. I was working a job in the UK. I was working in Argos, I was working in World Duty Free, I was working in Sky. All of those jobs had, all of the negatives that came with it. For example, Argos was very labor intensive. Sky was very work politics. I had really bad managers as well. I had really bad bosses who I didn't want to work for, who treat you like shit, who just, you just have a falling out with, because a lot of these people, they let power get to their head. And really and truly, none of them really have power, right? And now I make more money than all of them, right? So it's crazy. But the point is this, guys, if you want to change your life, if you want to make money, if you want freedom, then you need to start an online business. There's no two ways about it. And as I said already, I help people start an online business, scale them to 10K a month, so you can quit your 9-to-5 job and literally start a one-skill consulting business model, which can earn you 10K a month. Now, if you are interested, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and we'll jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you, right? But guys, your life can literally be like this. Your life can literally be in a position where you can live in Dubai, or maybe you want to move somewhere else. You can live in Bali, wherever it is that you want to move to, right? And you can have the best life. Like, guys, look, the sun's out. You can see from the backdrop behind me how nice it is. And life is so good because I don't work for anyone else. I work for myself, right? So I get to live life on my own terms, and I get to be happy. I get to enjoy myself. I get to make a lot of money as well, which is obviously very good as well. But the most important thing, guys, is freedom. Because yeah, you can make a lot of money in maybe other business models, but you don't have freedom, right? So this is why the one skill consulting business model is the best, because it gives you freedom. It allows you to make a lot of money. It gives you, you help people as well. So there's always good karma that comes with that. And yeah, it's the best business model by far. And again, it's changed my life considerably, right? I've documented my whole life on YouTube. You guys can see some of my previous videos where when I was living in the UK, you can see I was living in the UK. I was making various videos, right, at the time. But now my life's completely different. Now I live in Dubai. Now I can do whatever it is that I want, and you guys can do the exact same thing. All you guys really and truly need to do is take action. If you want to actually change your life, it's not going to happen without action, right? You need to take action. You need to say, you know what? I am going to do this. I am going to achieve this, and I am going to take action. And when you do that, guys, everything will change. But also, guys, don't do it blindly, right? One of the biggest mistakes I made when I started my online business was that I tried to do everything myself. I tried to learn things myself, right? And yeah, you can do it, but the only problem is that you pay with time. So what's going to end up happening is over 2 years, 3 years, you're going to waste a lot of time learning things, failing along the way, and you might not even make it. But what changed my life considerably was when I hired a mentor, because the mentor showed me exactly what I needed to do. So I followed his advice. I followed exactly what I had to do. And within a few months, I started making money. In fact, within the first month of doing this business model, I made 10 grand. Guys, you can do the same thing. Like, you can look at my testimonials, right? A lot of them have made some crazy money. I've also worked with a 16-year-old recently who made 2 grand as well. So it just shows it doesn't matter what your age is. It doesn't matter what your skill level is. All it matters is you trying and attempting, and you can actually change your life. So again, guys, if you are interested and you want to start a one skill consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, if you want more information about this business model, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.